Hey gamers, Mike Slater here with an update for you on Azrah War of Heralds. We have the official unboxing to do today. Let's find out what's in the box. This is the Kickstarter box. The retail box will be virtually the same, except there will be stuff on the back and, you know, warnings and things on the sides. Don't eat this. It's a game, it's not food. Teach your kids not to eat games, all that stuff. But we thought we would show you the actual unboxing today. Hey, Tom, can you throw me that sacrificial dagger? Thanks, buddy. Okay, shall we find out what's in the box? All right, let's dive in. Okay, well, most importantly, you have your two-player deck of cards. And, okay, so I'm not from Vegas, and I'm not giving up making games for joining a card table in a casino. Have your instruction booklet, right? So everything you need to play the game. It is not very long. This is a tight rule set. You can see it's not going to take you forever to get this game in hand, understand what you're doing, and of course we have your life counters. So it comes with your 12 dice. You've got a life counter for each player, and then you've got your Guardians life counters, hit point counters, 2 sets of those. This is what you get, your 2 decks. And we also are showing off our new Azrah War of Heralds playmats today. Just tease you a little bit. Anyhow, if you're interested in these, you can go to reddukegames.com, and under gaming supplies, you can order these mats. If you have any other thoughts about the project or questions, requests, suggestions, please, go to the Azrah landing page, and you can see that at the bottom of the screen. And let us know. We hope to see you in the project. Thank you guys so much.